Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start in the Chess Com app. Tap to open and sign in if needed. Once in, go straight to the Profile tab at the bottom. This is where username settings live. You need to confirm basic account eligibility now because some features are restricted for very new accounts. If your account meets the criteria, make sure you have a stable connection, then tap the gear or three-dot menu to reveal account options and prepare to edit your username settings. You next choose Edit Profile or Settings from that menu and locate the username field. This is where you type the new name. Once done, watch for immediate feedback. Chess Com checks availability and flags invalid characters or length issues. If the name is taken, try small variations or add numbers. Make sure you follow the allowed character set and length limits because the system will reject violations. After validation, confirm the change by tapping Save or Confirm to proceed. You finish by tapping Save or Confirm and then reload your profile to verify the new username appears everywhere. If the change fails, make sure the app is up to date, clear the app cache and retry. Sometimes propagation delays cause temporary failures. Once done, log out and back in to force refresh if needed. If you encounter account locks, billing requests, or persistent errors, contact Chess Com support with screenshots so they can resolve backend.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.